Are you getting ready to sell your house? And are you wondering, what are the little things I could do to get ready for those professional photos, just to kick my house up a notch and make it be picture perfect? Well, this home that we are getting ready to list in Hickory Hammock in Winter Garden, Florida is perfection. So I'm actually gonna walk through this house with you, and I'm gonna show you at least 3 things in each room that you could do right now to make sure that your pictures come out magnificent. Here we are in the kitchen, and I actually had to ask my sellers, do you guys cook often? Because it looks like this kitchen has been untouched. Here's what I mean by that. Look at the refrigerator, not one fingerprint. The sink is spotless and shining. Absolutely nothing on the island. No soap, no sponge. And look at what they did for the underlights. On, throughout. Also, to kick it up a notch again, the underlights are on, showcasing 3 areas to pull your eye. And I want to dig deeper here. Notice the power of 3. They did it in the foyer and they did it here as well. A light, also your Alexa, paired with a plant, paired with something even taller, a frame. It creates symmetry for the eye. Again, here, power of 3. 3 items that match, something taller and the 2 smaller pieces. Finally, power of 3. Again, a high frame, a beautiful pot, and another piece of decor. Also, look at the handles, the hardware in the kitchen. Not a speck of dirt, not a speck of paint that came off the cabinets. That's what I mean. It's as if nobody has lived here. And look at the stovetop. Immaculate, shining to perfection. Here's the living room. And what I want you to notice in this room is how they utilize the space. Look at the windows, perfectly framed with taller, not window height, but tall window dressings to pull your eye up to the crown molding. Then that drapery matches the show pillows. The show pillows then blend so beautifully with the couch with the perfect pop. The rug is a deeper brown, which is aesthetically pleasing because it pulls your eye up as distinctive from the tile. Show pillows, perfectly creased for that show. Here we go, for that showing right there. And the picture matches, including the frame of the picture. Another item to note in the living room is the symmetry of the speakers, but also look, another section that creates that nook with lighting and the power of 3, the book, the lamp, and the plant, which bumps out this living room so it looks even bigger than it is. Another showstopper here are the pictures, which, by the way, the seller created himself, which is amazing, but I want to showcase to you the size of the pictures versus the size of the wall. Look at this. You may think that this is too big for the space, but I challenge you, the bigger, the better. It is perfect to showcase the height of the ceiling. They did it here, and then they also did it on the other side of the kitchen with that larger painting as well. Perfectly blends with their choice for lighting, which is their style. And it creates symmetry in the room between one wall of the house all the way to the other wall, which creates depth for the eye. And that, my friends, is how you stage a home. All right, guys, we are in the master, and I want to point out a couple of things for you. First off is symmetrical lighting. On the nightstands, just the lamps, identical to one another, absolutely nothing on either nightstand. Now, look at the pillows and how they're stacked, okay? We have the 4 pillows that are stacked horizontal, offering depth to the bed. Then we have show pillows of the same color in front of it. And lastly, a final show pillow of a different orientation, square versus rectangle, the square with a show crease down the center of the pillow. This second bedroom is perfection. Look at the area rug. It perfectly frames the bed. The tray adds ambiance, just that little touch that could kick your listing up a notch and have the buyers just craving to see it immediately. Last but not least, look at that. The lighting in every room is so important. This tall lamp is perfectly placed to create another nook in the bedroom. Can we talk about how clean this primary bathroom is? Look at what they did for the pictures. The matching mirrors with the lighting, perfection. The higher plant, and I want to showcase this. Nothing else. Look, nothing else on the cabinets paired with perfectly folded towels. Okay, I'm flipping you over to the other side of the bathroom to showcase the bath. Some people want to hide their bath. Please don't. It is a feature. It needs to be showcased. Perfectly framed here with this potted plant, candles, another plant, matching towels to bump out the other side of the bathroom and to bring your eye up, this beautiful piece of artwork. The bathroom shower is as clean as can be. The grout is beautiful, and they hide all of the items that they use for a shower so that it still looks aesthetically pleasing to showcase the new hardware that they put up. Take a look at this office. What I'm gonna point out here is that this tree bumps out the room. It makes it feel bigger than it actually is. And you see these ambiance lights? So important. Shine every light possible in your home to make sure that it shows appropriately. You guys, look at this bathroom. I wish that my bathroom at home looked like this. Look at the lighting, matching the mirrors. Just changing out your builder grade mirror to matching mirrors over the vanity sinks is picture perfect for professional photos. Notice the high plant and the fact that it is staged appropriately. And here's my favorite, two favorites actually. Can we have hotel linens all the time? This is just amazing. And here we go. Those are the little things that you need to pick up your home and make it sparkle. Even the laundry room is impeccable. Take a look. We don't see any hampers. They hid the hampers, thank you. Look at the shelving. It is not upgraded cabinets, but look what they did. They make it aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and this room is spotless. One other thing that makes this stand out is that simple plant. Look, clean, simple, adds height, and that's what you want for your pictures. Take a look at this curb appeal. It does not get any better than this. You see these two tall plants? If you could add that to the entryway of your walkway, that would be amazing because it frames the entry into your home, which makes it so much more inviting. And I just want to point out another two tips. One, look at the outdoor seating. I keep talking about it. Another nook for people to enjoy outdoor living in Florida. And think about what this would look like without the colorful plants. The plants make the space. They have it here, and then they also have it right there, right when you walk through the front door. So let me sum this up for you. Number one, add lighting and nooks and crannies, spaces where people could sit in your house. Bump out rooms using lighting and plants. Number two, have your beds perfectly folded, have the blankets folded so that there are no wrinkles, and put that crease on the show pillows. When it comes to staging, the bigger the artwork, the better. I'm gonna even add something to that and say, if you want, go on Amazon and get an art light to showcase that artwork and highlight it during your showings and your pictures. This is how you stage a house today. It's more important than ever before.